So we're at the Goodwill and we're actually shopping for like 3 different things. We're shopping for, you know, the styling, like this video of course, and Tahir is starting school soon, so I'm gonna get him like a couple outfits, and we're going to LA in September, so I'm gonna try to look for a couple outfits too, but that's beside the point. Before we continue on with this video, if you like everything fashion, everything crochet, definitely go subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified when I post all of my videos. Let's get back to the video. Look at my son. He's a photographer. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to find something. I'm gonna try to find an outfit for Noor to style her, and then I'm gonna try to find like a modest like outfit for me, like a little dress or something, like a maxi dress or something. But of course, like I'm adding like crochet to it and stuff, so we'll see what we picked out in my video. You can take pictures of me. All right, come on, let's try to find some. Come on, Dada.
Mommy,
Yeah?
we can get a toy here.
You want a toy? Everywhere.
Yeah.
Niños. Oh, this is Spanish children.
Yeah, no. Wait, the toy's over there.
You loud.
The toy's over there.
All right, well, that's not what we came for. I guess we came for toys too.
Huh?
You like this one?
Ooh.
What is that? Is it like a skirt, I think? What's they called? Them girls?
Mommy.
Cute, like if what a cute top.
What's the girls? That's not a skirt. What's the girls who used to dress like that with the high heels?
It is a skirt.
Something girls. What's the girls called? And they was cartoon girls.
Brits.
No, they used to have like the big heels and stuff. They used to be like that, but they all had like colorful wigs and stuff.
I'm like calling them. I think she's talking about Brits.
I'm not talking about this.
We get the toy here, Ma.
All right, no, you can help pick out stuff too, like. Why he keep putting his camera in my damn face? Watch. You keep putting the camera on face.
Mommy.
Yeah. Or when I find the first, I guess, outfit, or for the first look, I'm gonna turn the camera back on. Ooh, don't this remind you of like you know those Chinese shirts? No?
Yeah.
Right? It don't look like a sleep joint.
Yeah.
Whose son is this? Why is he taking a picture with the mannequin? A selfie. Did you get it, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I see? So, found some little shorts for Noor.
Them is not for me. This is. I'm not wearing them.
You're not trying to play my styling game. I got a vision. So my vision is like tomboyish, but like girly, right? I can make you a cute top with it.
Huh? Here is something, my ear. What you say?
I said, my vision is tomboyish.
In the pool.
No, tomboyish, but like
Surfing.
like how what you got on now, but like but more tomboyish.
With a church shirt.
So what? Fashion is what you make it, not with the trends and like what trends is in and they're like nah. It's still about what you make it. She gonna be hyped. She gonna be hyped when I really like style her like. I'm at Rita's right now, so I kind of like made this video like a little vlog, I guess, a little vlog of like me, I guess the rest of the day. I just did that. So now I'm at Rita's, about to get some water rice, and yeah, I'm gonna get me like probably like a mango. What's those things called? Frozen drink, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna get me a mango frozen drink with ice cream on top. And Nor wants me to fish. He an old man. He don't want no water ice or ice cream. Or he be liking his ice cream sandwiches and popsicles. But I get to save money, so sometimes he'll like water ice, but right now he not in the mood for it. He just in the mood for toys. But yeah, and then after this we going to Walmart. This Misto shake.
Sorry,
Is that like a milkshake?
Which one?
The Misto?
Yeah, so it's kind of like a milkshake. Instead of ice cream though, we put water ice.
Okay. Can I have that mango?
Yep.
A small one. Can I see a small cup?
Yeah.
You know can I see a large? Yeah, can I have the large? And then I'll take vanilla ice cream with it. Cause you know Wendy's cups, they small cups, super small, but they was pretty good right here. Look at the skying behind me though, the clouds.
Can I get you anything else?
That's it. Oh no, you know what? I have 2 different orders actually. That was the first order. Can I pay separately?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's me. 561.
Okay. The sky is skying. What that cloud look like? That one look like nothing. This John looks so decent. I'm a new YouTuber, y'all, so it'd be like kind of weird talking in front of people and stuff. They be looking at you like, what is she doing? What is she doing? What is she doing? But I'm getting used to it. I'm really getting used to it. Here, can I have a straw?
Yeah.
Thank you. And some napkins too.
We have paper towels with them.
That's fine. Oh, it's good. Thank you. We in Walmart now, and we about to get Nora yarn for her dress for LA, and she got a what you call it? A swim a pool party. Thank you. Slow. She got a pool party coming up, and I'm making her like bathing suit. It's a Bratz and Barbie theme pool party. So you know I gotta come through with the outfit, cause everywhere you go, you see Vibes Team's brand. Okay. Okay. So that's what we doing now. I don't know why we passed the aisle. Where we going, Nora? Where you going? Where you going? I'm following you. Nora. No, it's over here. Come here, give me a hand. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. We just passed it. I know, he never chills. We're going to check out. We're going to check out. Say no. Hold on, wait. Start it over.
Okay. 1, 2, buckle my shoes. 3, 4, give me some more. 5, 90 kicks.
Where you get there from? That's not even what it is. Or we in the L. We in the yarn L. The yarn L. What is your favorite aisle in Walmart? Mine's is, of course, the yarn aisle.
That little nose ring, you can't even see it. You look stupid.
Yay!
I know.
The yarn aisle.
She looks pretty, y'all.
It's my favorite.
She was pretty.
It makes me feel like this.
But I want it to be fit me, okay? Like make my butt look like a fit, like make it tight on me.
Oh, my butt. Say.
I'm serious. Like make it shape me. So it could be like this. Like you know how the dresses be like.
What y'all think,
You
y'all?
know how the dresses be like this at the top. You're gonna smash your fingers. You're
Stop
doing
her.
too much.
I want to bend.
No.
Why not?
You know
She
how
might-
they be tight at like the top and then it like slim you
Mm-hmm.
and then it like flare out the bottom.
Yeah.
But you know there's a slit on it.
I know. I seen all
So you're
that.
gonna have to get multiple.
So you want this metallic?
What about
Super
these?
cheaper yarn?
Because the regular one's just plain. Like that's like hot crochet.
Right.
This is gonna be
And if we run out, we can always Google. I mean, we can always Amazon. How much is this?
You,
Oh, that's
what about
white.
the sparkle
Yeah, they
one?
both work.
What
So,
about the sparkle one?
take your calculator out. We gonna get
4, 8, 12, 16.
4, 8, 12, 16. But I want the exact cents and everything.
What?
That's not gonna be enough. We're gonna have to order.
This gotta be a different one though, because that one isn't the same.
Going shopping for yarn. It's so fun. It's the best and you number one. We going shopping for yarn.
This just got a little bit of this in it.
And
This is the same as that.
what?
This is the same as that. It just got a little bit of fur in it. Look.
All right, so look up this. Look up fur yarn. Making her a Bratz outfit for
Get off.
the pool party.
I gotta take my shower.
We might use this yarn because her heels is this color. But then,
But
we
the fluff
come-
is cute. I wish they
yes,
had this in that.
that's what I'm saying.
They only got this in this.
I'm pretty sure Michael got it. For sure. Go. All right, you want to do this?
Might as well, right?
Yeah. And then if we want like jazz it up a little bit, we could always add fur around it. You feel me? Yeah.
Like you know how that ruffle skirt you made me?
What ruffle skirt?
I thought one was shorts.
No. Oh yeah.
the heels
Shorts.
and
Shorts. Shorts is better.
Look what
Shorts is way better.
Cause
So I
it
hear
go
say
with
it. It's
the
way
heels.
better. Found glitter. All right, so we're gonna put this. We're gonna put this back.
That's enough for that? That's like a.
No, let's get They got teal metallic, right? Decisions. That's why I love like crocheting and stuff because
And I got a
I swear it's more yarn than materials and
That ain't
stuff. I
right.
swear it is.
And I got glitter statement.
No, that's not it. That's a what?
Shiny.
So we could get
And I
that.
got
I
the
feel like and
glitter
the
thing.
letters could be that color. This whole color.
But I don't like it on this though. That's what I'm saying.
It don't gotta be the 03, the numbers.
Yeah, that's like nah.
How?
That ain't given.
Yeah, but Bratz did any colors. They was not matching.
They wasn't, but
It was colorful. It was just colorful.
excuse me.
And Silver Strange and a Dunkin' Hood.
Who you gonna call?
Ducky.
In the Dunkin' hood.
Well, I think I want you to do this, the thing too, fluffy.
2 hours later.
So it's been about like 2 to 3 weeks now because I just wanted to make sure that the outfit looked perfect. So I found a few items that I think look perfect with the pink outfit. So long story short, I can't fit the pink outfit. So what I did was I told my little sister, which is my model, my brand model, I told her to model it, to wear it, and then I'll like style her as opposed, to styling myself. So she's gonna be wearing the pink the pink two-piece that I got from the thrift store. And like the pants are kind of big on her, but I'm just gonna like tailor it to her size or whatever. Probably like pin it up or something, just so we can like take the pictures and everything. But I'm gonna make like this bralette top for her, for the top, because the top is like a button-up top, but I want her to wear it open. So I'm making like this bralette top to match with this bag that I want her to wear that I made. I made this bag, I call it the mini gummy bag, and it's super cute. It has a bunch of colors. So basically the top is going to have this color in it. It's going to have gray and then blue, right? Because the pink two-piece kind of goes perfect with this color. So I'm gonna put that in the middle of the bralette. And yeah, I'm super excited. I hope it comes out like, good. But I'm about to make this top, and we're doing the photo shoot today to take the pictures and everything for it today. So I'm trying to like hurry up to make to make the bralette. But yeah, I'm gonna finish it up. I just started it literally. And I'm gonna show y'all like everything, how it goes and how it looks and how it is and how it feel, and it's like I'm silly. But yeah, I guess y'all can watch me make it. All right, guys, so I added 2 more colors. The white, because the other accessory and the shoes that I put with the outfit is white, so I made that kind of like the main color of the bralette. And then I added this little color, like a peach pink color to it. I think I'm gonna do like 1 row of that and then finish it off with the white on the outside, and see how it looks. So I'm finished both cups. Now I decided to make the straps white, so that's what I'm doing right now. And yeah, it looks so cute. Look, like the color, and it's just giving, it's giving, yes. But let me finish these straps.
You're on the track.
So if you like this video, you want to see more like it, first I want you to go comment down below and tell me what you liked about the video and what other videos you want to see. And then secondly, I want you to subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified when I post all of my videos. See you in the next one.